The top 5 best heavy-duty shovel recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The shovel head features a sawtooth edge for cutting and can be used as a hoe/pick when rotated 90 degrees. Perfect for off-roading, camping, gardening, etc. Compact design to utilize the full 23-long extended shovel while still being able to collapse down to 9 when you're ready to store it. Constructed with heavy-duty powder-coated carbon steel, our military-style entrenching tool can handle anything you throw at it. Recommendation number 2. Radius Garden 2011 Roots Layer Shovel. This digging shovel is a multi-purpose gardening tool to make outdoor tasks easier for you. It has a V-shaped tip that is tough enough to rip through hard dirt and roots. Digging up plants and grasses has never been easier. This heavy-duty shovel can easily get things done for you. Your green garden needs a 3-in-1 tool that is a shovel, root hatchet, and root saw. The Roots Layer is a durable and convenient tool for the outdoors. Recommendation number 3. RedCamp Military Folding Camping Shovel. The sharpened edges for digging and the serrated saw edge cuts through roots, compost, mud, sand, and snow. This tool can dig tires out of dirt if your car becomes stuck. You can fold up the shovel twice into a small portable package. It fits in the glove box, so you can keep it in your car, backpack, or toolbox. This tool will get you out of any tight situation. Digging, sawing, cutting, hammering, shoveling can be used either straight or at a 9-tight angle as a shovel, hoe, pick, or saw. Recommendation number 4. Edward Tools Garden Trowel Carbon Steel Hand Shovel. You are going to love your garden trowel by Edward Tools. It is made of heavy-duty carbon steel for confident digging in heavy clay or soils. It features depth markers for easy measurements to use when planing or transplanting. The ergo grip handle is more comfortable to use and provides plenty of leverage for heavy or rocky soils. The coating is rust-proof and bend-proof. The best part is the trowel is protected by a lifetime warranty, so you have peace of mind. Happy gardening! Recommendation number 5. Ashman Square Shovel. The Ashman Square Shovel is a well-blended combination of ergonomically crafted structure, premium quality, and everlasting durability along with two-handed control. The design is inspired by the extent of practical usability of the product. We have used it in practical scenarios and have built and rebuilt the product to finally reach a prototype that is worthy of being in the customer's hands. The Ashman Square Shovel has every nook and corner of the body fitted with the right parts placed at the right places to drive the delivery of utmost efficiency at work.